headed by Puno Barangay Manaig and the rest of the council. At nalabigyan ng ating po mga SK, headed by SK Chair. At by Retilia Kate at syempre kawatching from Langugan, mula kay Nililip-Ilip, si Jay Pong Papang 3 point! Tatawid yung bola, numero 11, this time the big man. At jumper by number 11, reloading 2-pointers. Defense. Long Gapit, perimeter jumper from the 16-foot line, 2-pointer in services. Good for 2 points, Long Gapit. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Villarosa hahanap, nakita niyo itong Corpus. Scoop jumper, 2 points by Corpus. Napigal ang oras sa ating first quarter of action. Long Gapit may tangan bola, layup, a fixing to the crowd. Binigay kay Rias numero 6, sending back for Rias number 35. Stop mo siya dahil naka-establish yung defender. But Rias, isang pasang-awang tira laban sa team ng QR. Balikan, double R runner, jersey number 1, jumper by his teammate from the strong corner. Basketball count by Rias from the middle. Binigay sa bandang kanan ang mamang nasa kanto. Offset Jay Rias from zone to win. Pero for that penetration, hindi magandang pagkakapukul. What a pass! Bang! Shoot! 2 seconds on the shot clock. Delivers by that. Good. 3 minutes and 48 seconds remaining. Follow-up by Diaz. His own miss recovery. Kapit na bakbakan itong QR Sprinting Services laban sa team ng Double R. Long Gapit na libre. At Tirade de Calibre. Long Gapit! Bang! 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 3 points! 29, Long Gapit may tangan ng bola. Corpus, itindirekta. No good by Corpus. Buti na lamang doon to Rodrigo. Pakalaman ng Double R laban sa team ng QR Sprinting Services. Good pass. Saan ka punta? To the moon! Good for 2 points. Vice brought to us by Honorable SK Chairperson, Cristel Albior. He's layup. Good for 2 points by Corpus. Numero 74, pinagkatiwala sa kanyang kasamahan mula sa kanan. Inside Conti. Ganda ng 14 seconds reset on the shot clock. Long Gapit. Sabi niya, ako naman yung babanat ng 3. Long Gapit. Bang! 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 3! Tayong 4 minutos at 45 segundong natitirang oras for the third quarter. Inside jumper na 4 minutes and 43 seconds to go. Isko Toto drive. Isko Toto drive. Makakatawan ng SK Kagawad. Good for 2 points. Na naganap at lalo na itong ating 14 na final quarter na dumidikit lang yung ating bakbakan. Jumper pangatlong serving, pinakaba pa yung mga shooting services, sabla yung kanyang pihit. Long Gapit, going for Villarosa, sinibak for Long Gapit, isang tiratang malupit. Sa defensive rebound, Valdez may tangan ng buko, 1-on-1. By nagpag-ibitan sa batsay, hagip na 2 puntos mula kay Valdez. 51-35 lamang. Maibabong laki ng Rias in the jumper for 2 points. The Silky Smooth Riverias. 52 seconds remaining time. Long Gapit, Villarosa. Bang! Good for 2 points. Kalakantok at uwi na sa kalabahay. Thank you so much sa inyo naging presensya dito sa ating last na final game. Villarosa may tangan ng bolang kanina. But this time, Montilla inside pass. Good for 2 body deflect. At kukunin muli itong team ng Double R. Atake ang Corpus number 20. What the move! 42-59, 17 deep points. The cross-court pass is put out of line. Bang! And headed by Honorable SK Chairperson Cristel Albior at the rest ng ating council. Outside Jay Valdez. Bang! 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 3 points! Isa para po sa team ng Pulahan. Valdez, Montilla, extra pass and extra jumper. Get the 2 points at makakanganin for Toto. Corpus number 20 inside Long Gapit. Yes sir! 2-pointers again. Sa pagandang pag-ikot ng bola mga kaibigan, yung progreso ay tuloy-tuloy na ginagawa pang nagiging asistado for team ng Blue Shirts. Rias na masyadong malayo yung tinamaan. 2 minutes and 38 seconds. 38 seconds to go. 47 against 67. Dagaraga, 2